Little Early English Education.
Wow! Look at this rainbow character! Hello, 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 super learners! Welcome back! Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 700. Did you know Numberblock 700 is 7 groups of 100? 700! And it has 7 rainbow colors, 1 for each 100. Let's start drawing. First, draw 1 tall rectangle for the main body. Top line, right side, bottom line, left side. A tall rainbow body. Beautiful. Now draw 1 horizontal line near the top for the hair area. Now 1 vertical line down the center. This divides our body into left and right. Now draw 2 more horizontal lines across. This makes 6 colorful sections. 6 sections for 700 blocks. Now draw 20 vertical lines across the body. Ready? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Fantastic! We reached 20. That's T-W-E-N-T-Y. Now draw 35 horizontal lines. Ready? Let's count together. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 500, 520, 540, 560, 580, 600, 620, 640, 660, 680, and 700. Fantastic! We reached 700. That's S-E-V-E-N-H-U-N-D-R-E-D. Now, let's draw the face. Numberblock 700 has rectangular glasses. Draw the left glasses frame, rectangular shape. Now the right glasses frame. Inside the glasses, draw the eyes, left eye and right eye. Now let's draw the rainbow hair at the top. 7 hair spikes, 1 for each color. First spike pointing up, second spike right next to it, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, and 7th spike. Now draw the happy smile, a big, beautiful rainbow smile. At the very top, write the number, 700. Now draw the hands on both sides. Now draw the legs at the bottom.
Wow!
Our drawing is complete. Hello, everyone. I am Numberblock 700 and 7 hair spikes. I am made of 700 blocks. Coloring time! First, pick up the black color. Spell black, B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eye pupils, black. And inside the mouth area, black too. Sharp and clear. Now pick up yellow. Spell yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Color the glasses frames yellow. And the smile outline yellow too. Golden yellow, so stylish. Now pick up indigo. Spell indigo, I-N-D-I-G-O. Indigo. Color the hands indigo. And the legs indigo too. Deep, rich indigo. Now the rainbow coloring begins. 7 colors for our rainbow body. Pick up red. Spell red, R-E-D. Red. Color the first section red.
Every shape looks beautiful when colors fit just right. Mix and match or keep it simple. Every choice is fine. Drawing number blocks together makes the learning shine. Let's start counting as we color one and then it's two.
Now pick up orange. Spell orange, O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Color the second section orange.
10 blocks standing tall. Counting helps us understand big and small them all. Add some more and count again. Numbers grow each day. 20, 30, 40 blocks. Math is fun this way. Drawing helps us see the numbers. Coloring makes
Now pick up yellow. Spell yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Color the third section yellow.
fill the middle smooth and nice and neat. Every picture that we make feels happy and complete. Art and math together now, working side by side. Number blocks are friendly guides on this learning ride.
Now pick up green. Spell green, G-R-E-E-N. Green. Color the fourth section green.
Shows how much we learned here. We can draw them every day. We can color more and more. Learning with the number blocks makes us want to explore. Draw and color, count and grow. Learning numbers as we go. Number blocks make learning fun. Every block is
Now pick up sky blue. Spell sky blue, S-K-Y-B-L-U-E. Sky blue. Color the fifth section sky blue.
drawing time, nice and calm and slow. Grab your paper, grab your colors, let the numbers grow. Every number block starts as shapes, simple, clean and clear. Drawing lines and little boxes brings the numbers near. Draw a square and add another, build them one by one. Stack them tall or wide across, learning has begun.
Now pick up indigo again. Spell indigo, I-N-D-I-G-O. Indigo. Color the sixth section indigo.
Color carefully, fill each space with care. Choose a color that you love and spread it everywhere. Blue can feel so cool and calm. Red is strong and bright. Yellow shines like morning sun, making pictures light. Color softly, color slowly, stay inside each side. Every shape looks beautiful when colors fit just right.
And now pick up purple. Spell purple, P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Color the seventh section purple.
Let's start counting as we color one and then it's two. 3 and 4 and 5 blocks stacked. See what numbers do. 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 blocks, standing tall. Counting helps us understand, big and small them all. Add some more and count again, numbers grow each day.
And now color the rainbow hair. Each spike gets its own rainbow color. Spike 1, red. Spike 2, orange. Spike 3, yellow. Spike 4, green. Spike 5, sky blue. Spike 6, indigo. Spike 7, purple.
Every picture that we make feels happy and complete. Art and math together now.
And done!
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.